In this video, I will show you how to resize the music to better fit your project inside of Adobe Audition. This is quick and easy Tuesdays, and without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. It's around the 3-minute mark, but let's say your project is somewhere around the 1-minute mark. So what you can do if you want to resize the music. So let's open up Adobe Audition, go to File, New, Multi-Track Session. I'm gonna just say Beat Remix. I'm gonna import my original beat and put it on the track 1. Right click, go to remix, enable remix. Now Audition is gonna analyze all the music so that in the properties panel under the remix section we can give it a custom target duration like 55 seconds or heck 56 seconds, and let's have a look. So I think it has done a pretty good job. Now I can just select the track. I'm gonna go to File, Export, Multi-Track Mixdown. I'm gonna hit Entire Session. I'm gonna save this as a beat remix and I'm gonna hit OK.